Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how easy it is to add your property and upload photos on the HelpMeSell.com network. Start by clicking your state and then select your county. In this example, we're going to play John Homeowner in Tampa Bay, Florida. Next, scroll down here and look at our different selling plans and choose the plan that's best for you. Once you find the right plan, just click on Add to Cart, and then you can keep shopping or check out. We're going to go ahead and check out. Here on our checkout page, just go to the bottom and click on the checkout link, and most likely it'll be your first visit to the website, so just click on New, please provide your billing information to open up the registration form. After you complete the form, go down to the bottom and agree to the terms of service. To view the terms of service, just click this link and then click Send Registration. Okay, we can see now that our registration is complete. You can leave any note you like. Once again, agree to the terms of service. And again, you can view the terms by clicking on this link and then click on Confirm Order. Our checkout process is powered by PayPal, so if you have a PayPal account, you can log in with your email and password. If you don't have PayPal, you can click on this Continue link and you can process the credit card transaction without using PayPal or becoming a PayPal member. You'll notice that all of the information you provided is sent through the API to PayPal, so you don't have to re-enter the data. All you have to do is put in your credit card number, expiration date, and security code, and then click Review Order and Continue. After you successfully process your payment, you'll end back here on our website. Now, under the Sell tab, there's a seller control panel with several different links, including Create a Listing. There's also a user menu that's only visible once you've logged in. Click on Home Seller Menu to expand the menu items. Also, whenever you're logged in, you'll see this Hello Me module. And at the bottom of the Hello Me module, there's a link for My Properties. We're going to go ahead and click on that since that's where we are now. And you'll see that the first thing that you have to do before you can create any property listings is set up your seller profile, which creates a personal contact page for buyers and agents to contact you both online and by phone. We'll start by filling out the address info. After you've completed your address information, which is optional, only the required fields, of course, have to be completed, then go into the Contact tab. The only required field here is your email address. If you'd like to be contacted also by phone, enter your phone number in this field, and then from here we can fill out the other optional fields or go into Promotional. Promotional has quite a few fields that are definitely not necessary. We're going to go ahead and look at a complete contact page that uses every one of those options. This would be your uploaded header and this information. This would be your profile picture. This would be the PDF document that you can upload. This is your phone and other contact information. And then this is the area in which the WYSIWYG editor information is displayed. And you'll see here I created a few different images, including this property that we're listing right now, displayed on Realtor.com, both the full listing and the search results. Most homeowners don't do that, so we'll go back to our profile creation page and just put in the basics, and we don't even need to use this WYSIWYG editor to create additional info. Now we can click Save Update Profile. Now we're viewing the Seller Control panel. Anytime you save your profile, create a listing, or edit a listing, you'll always be taken back to the Seller Control panel. Now, this is our first time, and we see a tip that says before you do anything, click here to confirm that your city's been added to our database. If you don't see your city, just add it. So click that link, select your state, have to select your state for the cities in that state to load. We want to list in Palm Harbor, and it's already there. If we wanted to add a city, all we have to do is click the Add New City link, add your city in the pop-up window, then click on Create a Listing, or down here we can click on Add New Listing. you'll need to complete at least the required fields in the Essentials tab, Specifications, Features, Marketing, Meta Tags, and Images. Now you'll see there's lots of information, tips, and warnings throughout, so make sure you review that information. Most important, make sure you read the tips here in the Images tab. After you submit your listing, of course, you'll be taken back to the Seller Control panel, and when you scroll down, you'll see your property here. You can click the thumbnail image to view the property out on the website, or click the address to make changes to your listing. So you can come back and click here, or this edit icon, to edit your internet listings as often as you like. Usually takes about 24 hours for you to find those updates on Zillow, Yahoo, Trulia, Google, Front Door, and all those other hundreds of places where your property listing gets syndicated. Now that we've successfully submitted our listing, we need to check our email. We're going to start at the bottom so that we can review the emails in the same order that we went through the listing process. So the first thing that we did after choosing a selling plan was register, and this email will be sent to you, providing you with both your username and your password. The notification that we get on our end tells us that you've registered, but does not give us your password. We can help you reset your password, but we'll never be able to tell you what it is should you lose it. And of course there's a recover password or recover username option out on the website. Next, we've got the email that was sent to you. Thank you for shopping with us. And this is a complete purchase order explaining everything you purchased. And you can view the order details anytime by clicking on this link. And we'll come back to that in just a moment. We also receive a similar email telling us that your order was received. And then you'll receive an email asking you to download the required MLS listing documents. So all you have to do is click on this link. In some cases there will be several links. It'll take you to the website. We'll go ahead and click on it so you can see what the page looks like. It'll take you to a page like this where you just simply click on Start Download. This is pre-populated automatically. So you'll just click on Start Download and you'll download the required documents. And finally, the order status change. Your status changed from pending to confirmed once you made a successful payment. You'll also get these anytime you send through a status change request. Your status change request will be pending, and then once we change the MLS listing, we'll mark it as confirmed and you'll receive an automatic email. Now, let's go back to the purchase order here. And I told you we'd click on the link to view the order by following the link here. So here we are in the account maintenance area where you can come back anytime to view your purchase order. You can also go into the item that you purchased to download all the required documents. You can also get here anytime by mousing over Sell, then go to Selling Plans, and then Purchase History. From here, just click on View, and this will list the selling plans that you've purchased, any add-ons, and any status change requests. So finally, let's go have a look at the web listing we've created. This is what your listing will look like after it's submitted. You'll see that the additional photos are down here at the bottom. When you click on them, it'll load a larger image with the description for the image listed below. The map is created automatically based on the property address that you submit in the listing forms. And then we have several tabs here for summary, details, features, your description, which you use the WYSIWYG or HTML editor to create, and a new feature called street scenes. Depending on where you are in America, it might be a view of what you see when you walk out the front door. If you just click to the left or to the right 4 times, it'll do a 180 and display the front of your property, which you can see matches the property photo that we've uploaded. And then finally, down at the bottom, there are several tools. Most of these are for buyers to use. There's an edit listing link that's only usable by the listing owner. And then, of course, agents and home buyers can contact you by clicking the Request a Showing link, which gives them a pop-up window. Or they can click on your name to load your contact page. And this is the contact page that we created in step 1.